Ever feel like your phone never stops buzzing because of WhatsApp group chat? You don't have to leave the group to enjoy some space and quit. In this quick guide, I will show you how to mute WhatsApp group notification in just a few taps while staying connected with everyone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone, then open the WhatsApp app. After that, go to the chat section at the very bottom. Here you can see the all of conversation listed there. Find the specific group if you want to mute them. Tap the group name to open the page. In the menu, tap on the group name at the top. After that, scroll down a little. Look for the notification option. Tap on it. Right now this option is turned on. To mute them, simply find the mute option. Tap on the main toggle button. Then choose a time such as 8 hours, 1 week. I am recommend you can select always. After that, hit OK. And you can easily mute WhatsApp group notification without leaving the group. If you found this tip useful, hit like, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and I will see you in the next video with another helpful trick.